way, my people, it don't happen again. It don't bust. It don't set. No be small matter. Make una carry una joko. Taste it down. Come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one. Finish. Tulubu daughter don't bust come out. As she bust come out everywhere scatter. No be small thing. It don't set. She don't drag like Lai Mohammed come out. No be small thing. He say why like Lai Mohammed? Why they lie? Why APC people? Why they lie? Why did they, everywhere flood? Say Nigeria don't disgwangwa. Say nothing then Nigeria again. Say they don't spoil everywhere. Say any small thing. If news come back, bakara. Say the news they come for Obodo Ibo like Lai Mohammed go just waka. Like Lai Mohammed go come debug the thing. Why like Lai Mohammed? Why they lie? Say see NSAS. Say like Lai Mohammed a lie yo. See everywhere. Say nothing good come out again. Oh, not be small thing. Tulubu daughter use my take this gwan like Lai Mohammed. My people not be small thing. Oh, may not come be say I too talk. Make una regade.
Good evening, fellow citizens of Nigeria. My name is Joshua Iginla. There is fire on the mountain. Obviously, there is fire on the mountain. There is no amount of lie the government can tell. There is no amount of public presentation the government can put up. It is obvious that there is fire on the mountain. Uncle Lai Mohammed, Ogunyi Titon, your drugs, you don't finish. It be like say you don't start to do cho again. Because this is very glaring what is going on. The signs, the signals, and everything that is happening. Yet, a government who does not have respect for its citizens, a government who does not have a principal responsibility of protecting its citizens home and abroad, is coming out to give an international image that all is well when all is not well. Tell me how all is well when flood is flushing away people and killing people. See, I don't talk am. Everybody where they fear to talk, die now die. Die now die. You sleep for your house, they come boggle you, they murder you for there, now die. Economic inflation, a lot of businesses have collapsed, now die. Insecurity, now die. Flood carry some people go, now die. So if we all continue to keep quiet and allow our leaders to destroy our future and our present day, on top say you don't want talk, say that you they fear, make they come nab you. Every die now die. So make we kukuma talk am. Uncle Lai, Ogunyi Titon, your medicine don't finish because your tingri, it don't start again. Because if not, international organizations, residents, people who value the lives of their citizens, people who value their responsibility that they are serving the public, not like the liars of you politicians and the likes of Abike Dabiri, that do not regard citizens, that do not respect citizens. There is a huge discord between the government and its citizens in this country. The government's principal responsibility is they don't care about what happens to their citizens. When you talk to politicians, they'll say, what's my business? I don't care. And truly, they don't care. So the government on its own has lacked parental responsibility. That is why our children are going everywhere now and showing that they are children that are not raised. If this country was safe, if this country is promising safety, economic stability, food on the table, stable dollar, tell me why Japa go the rain. You are telling us that abroad, it is the same economy. These people have government that listens to them, that protects them, that provides for them. But you people don't listen, you don't protect, you don't respect. If not, somebody like Abike Dabiri will not come and be calling a citizen or there. Who are you serving? Insulting the people you are serving. How do we blame people like you? How did you get to your position? But when we talk, it's quick for people to say that we are insulting you. Now, do you prefer the insults? I'm not going to choose between the insult and the lack of responsible government. Look at what is going on. Flood is washing away homes and houses. No government intervention. And now you are telling us it's going to take 30 years. Where is the money that was allocated for this? Give us the names of the people you people gave money to. Let's know what to do to them. USA came and raised an alarm. They started to move their citizens away because they respect their citizens. They understand their principal responsibility of life protection and property. And you people are still here giving press release that nothing, we should be safe. Safe in what sense, in what form? Just few days ago, fire gutted a whole WAEC office. And it's not as if we don't have fire brigade system. But the fire brigade system is for cowards who call themselves our leaders to roll them out when citizens say they want to, when they say they are going on protest. That is when we see your strength of cowardness. That is when we see your strength of stupidity and failure. You come to attack citizens whose right is to protest and to request for what they deserve. The only time you people need citizens is during election. After election, nothing again. You don't owe them anything. Dollar increases, everything increases, business is unstable, does not concern you. But your children, look at Saraki's son. The money that your father stole, hard-earned citizens' money, useless children. How many of you politicians, you fail to forget that nemesis will catch up on you? You steal people's funds, you send them abroad, you give them a lifestyle, and you think that all will be well with them. You people will continue to weep over these children. They will continue to bring reproach and shame upon you. People are dying in hospitals. Yes, people don't want to talk because they fear for their lives. They fear for their lives, but death is death. The first lady of this country, Aishat, is living in Dubai, receiving medical treatment because she feels she has an ailment. There are other people dying in hospitals, government hospitals, private hospitals out of negligence. They are also dying of ailments. Same. Yet, your life is more important to the life of that of a citizen. Who are you people fooling? Who are you people deceiving? Tell me how it will be well with you and will be well with your children wherever you kept them. A country that does not have parental value, parental care, parental association, and you want to blame our children and our youth for derailing from track. Tell me how you have trained them. Tell me the laws and the principles that you people have put together to curb our children's excesses. Tell me why our children will not bring shame, local and abroad. You are talking about USA, comparing Nigeria to USA. A country that will give law, protect the law, stand by the law, and abide by the law. If you people think you will continue to destroy our future, because every common man walks up on the street every day, seeking for food and future for his or her children. But you, our politicians, there is flood going on. You people keep money under your pillow. You want to use them for campaign. No government intervention. The government is not even talking as if they understand or they show some level of sympathy or empathy to a common man. And these are their funds and their monies that people have stolen and you have kept. Yet, you think we should be afraid to talk and fear your dear evil? Ask me why I'll be scared to talk when my future is bleak and the future of my own children is bleak. You people are nothing but shame. Heartless criminals. You go after Yahoo boys. You are the senior criminals. Shameless men and women in politics, in government. What tied all of you? You tell us we are shouting and we are screaming. Tell us what we are supposed to be doing. Rub your ego and say thank you for destroying the lives of citizens. Insecurity, poverty, lack of medical system, poor education. Children are just resuming after 7 months at home. What are they going back there to learn? Nigeria has failed under the dispensation of President Muhammadu Buhari. You people can tell yourself all the lies. Political parties that are richer than central bank of this country. Yet you people keep that money. Money that people are supposed to spend on your children. You want to get to government before you spend it, or you want to use it to attain that position and still go back to steal and recover that money that you people spend during election. Beba change one from one home, from one rehab to the other. Let's mama one hospital to the other. You think nemesis is meant for the poor? Or nemesis, money can pay for nemesis. The law of karma respects nobody's finances. Uncle Lai, elo lo ogun ike je ki ori yin pe. Auntie Abike, ẹ jẹ́ kí orí yín set, ẹ reset brain yín. And don't think that because you feel you are a top politician, you can come and talk down on citizens. You dare not do it. It's not your position. After Lai Mohammed go said that they misuse Twitter space, what are you doing? Abusing citizens. Irresponsible leaders you all are. But one day, all of you will continue to pay for the pain that you have caused any citizen. And those that have died, the answers, the bloodshed, one being, Bob, being one being, you can deny it. The answers just passed. Una behave like say nothing happened. No word from any government official. You can only tell the lies for a short time. In no time, the truth will prevail.